Ashley here. So one of the things that we did a few years ago was to modernize this railing. It used to be white and it had scrolls like every other spindle. And it was a big project in terms of like time investment because you had to grind off the scrolls and then sand a little bit and then we painted. But for the cost savings for just replacing, especially when we couldn't afford to replace all the railings throughout the house, it was such a great project. I want to show you a little bit of the process as we go along, and then I'll give you some close-ups of this railing. All right, so here is the before railing. As you can see, it was white. I don't think it was originally white because you could see a little bit of the white, I'm going to call it enamel, flaking off in a few places, but it was white or like a dirty cream in our house, and it did look very dated. So I knew I wanted to update the railing, but because we have a circle staircase, the price to do that was really high. What we did was we took off the railing, took it to the garage, and got an angle grinder and started grinding off the scrolls. And it was a time investment, but it totally worked. After grinding off the scrolls, we sanded just a little bit and then primed and painted the railing. We let them sit in the garage for a couple days, and then we went back and installed them. So like I said, it's been a couple years since we've done this project. It's about time to touch up a little bit of paint, but let's do a close-up. As you can see, when we get a little bit closer, the spindles were cut off the bars that were straight, but you really can't tell. It kind of just looks like a design choice that was made years and years ago, and that part doesn't bother me at all. Overall, I think it looks amazing. I'm so happy we did this project, and if you do a project similar, I'd love to see. If you want more details on this project, I'll give you the link right below, and feel free to subscribe. I'd love to have you following along.